their approach limited to immediate combustion or denouncement as diabolical vegetation. When envisioning a medieval ecclesiastical edifice, one might conjure images of luminous stained glass, tremulous candlelight, solemn choral intonation, and that dense, otherworldly cloud of incense permeating the atmosphere like divine atmospheric manipulation. Yet, incense served purposes beyond mere sanctification. It harbored unexpected psychoactive potential. Consider the principal aromatic resins, frankincense and myrrh, both resinous substances imported from the Arabian Peninsula and East African regions, burned in sacred spaces, royal courts, and ceremonial contexts. These substances purportedly purified atmospheres, repelled malevolent spirits, and mitigated the prevalent aromas of unwashed wool and fermented fish. However, contemporary research reveals that combusted frankincense releases compounds, particularly incensyl acetate, capable of affecting the brain's limbic structures. In practical terms, sufficient exposure to such vapors could complement Gregorian chants in producing altered consciousness. Prolonged exposure to incense potentially induced mild sedative effects, especially when combined with nutritional abstinence, insufficient hydration, or profound ceremonial monotony. Reports of visionary experiences during extended services were not uncommon, and while often attributed to divine inspiration, one might reasonably suspect mild neurochemical alteration from resinous fumes. This phenomenon extended well beyond Christian contexts. Incense featured prominently in Islamic mosques, Jewish synagogues, Buddhist temples, and pre-Christian pagan observances. The practice transcended religious boundaries. Evidently, atmospheric enhancement appeals universally. Religious authorities insisted that incense elevated souls heavenward. Realistically, it may have simply softened perceptual boundaries sufficiently to render 5-hour homilies marginally more endurable. Consider it the medieval equivalent of ambient musical accompaniment and aromatic candles, albeit with more ecclesiastical Latin and considerably less relaxation.